Hi viewers, welcome to Akshaya Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's see about Neervanna Perumal Temple. Sri Neervanna Perumal Temple. Tirunirmalai is one among the 108 Divya Desham found in Chennai, near Tambaram, Tondai Nadu. In this thalam, the Perumal is found in various positions as Nindran, Irundan, Kidandan and Nadandan Tirukkolam. This thalam is situated in Tamil Nadu, Chengalpattu district. We can reach the temple by travelling around 4 kilometers from Pallavaram railway station, which is about 7 kilometers from Chennai. This Tirunirmalai Kshetram is also called as Toyagiri Kshetram and also as Todadri. Toya means water and Atri means mountain, Malai. Since the mountain is surrounded by water, the sthalam is named as Tirunirmalai. The Perumal shows his 4 sevas in this temple: Nindran, Irundan, Kidandan and Nadandan Tirukkolam. It is said that once Thirumangai Alvar came here to get the darshan of the Perumal. At that time, the mountain was fully surrounded by water and he waited for 6 months to worship the Perumal. After all the water had drained down, he went to the mountain and worshipped the Perumal. The place where Thirumangai Alvar stayed is called Thirumangai Alvarpuram. Moolavar and Tayar. The Perumal gives his seva in 4 different positions. Sri Neeravannar is in Nindran Tirukkolam, that is standing position. Lord Narasimhar is Irunda Tirukkolam, that is sitting position. Lord Ranganadhar is Kidanda Tirukkolam, that is sleeping position. Lord Thiruvikraman is Nadanda Tirukkolam, that is walking position. The Neeravanna Perumal is found in Nindra, that is standing Tirukkolam, facing this Tirumugam towards east direction. He is also named as Neelamugil Vannan. Pradyaksham Seva for Tondaiman, Bringu Munivar and Markandeyer. Lord Ranganatha is found in Kidanda, that is lying position, facing his Tirumugam towards south direction, and Sayana Kolam is referred to as Manika Sayanam. He is lying on the Adiseshan under Renga Vimanam. Tayar. The Tayar of this thalam is Sri Anima Malar Mangal and found in a separate Sannidhi. According to Thirumangai Alvar, Tirunirmalai is referred to as Tirunarayur, Nindra Tirukkolam, Tiruvali Narasimhan, Irunda Tirukkolam, Tirukudandai, Arai Armudai, Kidanda Tirukkolam, Tirukovilur, Ulagalandan, Tiruvikrama Kolam. Thus, in Tirunirmalai Divya Desam, we can see all the 4 forms of a Perumal together. In this temple, Muni Valmiki worshipped Eri Kidanda, Aranganadhar, Irunda Narasimhar, Nadanda Tiruvikraman, Kola Seva of the Perumal. After worshipping all the 3 sevas, he came down from the mountain to worship Lord Rama. Knowing this, Lord Vishnu gave darshan as Sri Ramar and Lakshmi Prati as Sita and Adisesha as Lakshmanan and Sangu and Chakram as Bharata Chatrukhanan, Lord Vigneshwar as Sugriv and Garudan as Anuman. Mangala Sasanam was by Thirumangai Alvar, which he said by 19 pasurams, and Bhudathalvar is 1 pasuram. This is a hill temple. There are 2 big temples both at the top and the foothill. Lord appears in 4 forms representing 3 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. The temple has a beautiful tank, that is Tepakulam, covering 3 acres with a mandap at the center. This is praised as Suddha Pushkarani, Shira Pushkarani, Karunya Pushkarani and Swarna Pushkarani. 2-time puja is performed in the temple. According to Vaikashya Agama rules, Lord Sri Rama is in a separate shrine. Devotees bathe in the tank for health and cure from illness and for a clear mind and worship Perumal. Devotees also seek child boon by placing cradles in a tree and for removal of obstacles in marriage efforts. Devotees perform Tirumanjanam and special pujas for Perumal and offer vastras as thanksgiving. The greatness of the temple. Sage Valmiki, author of the celebrated epic Ramayana, desired to have the wedding darshan of Lord Sri Rama. He came to this place and performed penance to achieve his aim. Lord Rama appeared before the sage and, as he wished, with Mother Sita and brothers Sri Lakshmana, Sri Bharata, and Sri Shatrukana. The sage wished the Lord to stay in the place for the benefit of all devotees, and Lord was happy to oblige him. The sage is in a separate temple at the foot of the hill. As he is in a place surrounded by water, Neer in Tamil, he is praised as Neervanna Perumal, and the place Tirunirmalai, meaning mount surrounded by water. Sage Valmiki, as a Suyambhu, appears in a worshipping form in the shrine. Saint Tirumangai Alvar came to this place for Perumal's darshan. He could not see Perumal as the mount was surrounded by water. Alvar decided to wait and have the darshan of the Lord and stayed in the opposite hill. Though days moved, water level did not recede. He was steadfast in his determination and waited till the water level lowered, had the darshan. Pleased with this devotee, Perumal granted 4 darshans to Alvar. Nirvana Perumal standing, Narasimha sitting, Ranganatha reclining, and Ulaganda Perumal in walking posture. The devotee can enjoy these darshans in the temple. Lord Nirvana Perumal is at the foot of the hills, while Ranganatha Narasimha and Ulagalanda Perumal are at the hill temple. Though Lord Narasimha is known for his furious appearance, he is smiling and cool here. After killing Hiranya to save his devout son Prahalada from his tortures, he was still furious. Boy Prahalada was very much afraid of the Lord's fury. To make his devotee happy, Lord Narasimha shed his fury and appeared before Prahalada as a smiling boy himself. He thus became Bala Narasimha. There is a shrine for him in the hill temple. Behind Bala Narasimha is Ugra, furious Narasimha with 2 hands. We can worship Narasimha in 2 forms, Bala and Ugra. Rajagopuram, Balipitham and Kodimaram and flag posts are generally in a row in temples. Here, the Balapitha and flag posts are slightly away from the Rajagopuram, as Perumal granted darshan to sage Valmiki as Nirvana Perumal and Sri Ramar. They are considered prominent in the temple. Therefore, to emphasize their importance, Rajagopuram is before Sri Rama shrine and flag post before Nirvana Perumal. Sage Tirumangai Alva has praised Mother in his Mangala Sasanam hymn as Anima Malar Mangai. The procession deity in Vishnu temples are generally placed before the presiding deity. Presiding deity is at the hill temple and the procession deity Alva Mangal Manavalar Alagiya Manavalar is at the temple of the foothills. Alagiya Manavalar shall be coming to the hill temple on the flag hoisting and lowering days during the Chitrai, April-May, Brahmotshavam and Pangani Uttaram, March-April wedding festival day. 3 days in a total when the devotees will have the joint darshan of the presiding and procession deities together. Brahmotshavam is celebrated to Lord Ranganatha in the hill temple in Chitrai, April-May and in Panguni, March-April to Lord Nirvana Perumal at the foothills. On the Vaikunta Ekadasi day in December-January, Alagiya Manavala Perumal passes through the Surgavasal. He also grants the Garuda Seva Darshan on Masi Magam day in February-March. A 1-day festival is celebrated for Narasimha in Ani, June-July and for Ulagalanda Perumal in Adi, July-August. Wedding festival for Nirvana Perumal and Anima Malar Mangai is celebrated on the Uttaram Star day in Chitrai, April-May. We have seen gods coming in procession on 1 Vahan only during festival days, but Ranganatha comes in 7 Vahanas in procession in single day on the Ratha Saptami day in Thai month, January-February. During the sunrise, Lord Ranganatha comes in Surya Prabha Vahan when Arati is shown from foot to face, as if Sun God himself performs this puja. Then he comes in procession on Hanumanantha, Garuda, Sesha, horse, lion and Surya Prabha Vahans. The holy tank is one in form but comprises of 4 tirthams in Kumbakonam. The Mahamaga tank is believed to be a confluence of 19 tirthams. Similarly, 4 tirthams Siddha, Swarna, Karunya and Shikshta tirtham confluence in this holy tank. 8 Vishnu temples in India are considered very important, praised as Swayam Yakta Kshetras, of which this Tirunirmalai temple is one. Others are Srirangam in Trichy district, Sri Mushnam in Kadalur district, Tirupati in south, and Salagraman Narasimhan Pushkaranam and Narayanapuram in north, and this is a hill temple. Girivalam is observed on Paunami new moon days. The hill is also known as Toyatri Malai. Toya means milk. Lord is under the Toyatri Vimana. Special pujas are dedicated to Lord Ranganatha on Saturday, with Pushkarani Alankar with flowers. After the darshan of Lord in Srirangam in reclining posture, sages Markandeya and Rigu were returning to their places. Their darshan at Srirangam was afresh in their minds. They prayed to the Lord to grant them darshan again at this place. Lord granted the darshan as Bhoga Ranganadhar in reclining posture in this temple, in this place, and continues to bless from the hilltop his devotees. Abhishek is not offered to him except a Taila Kapu, applying cosmetic oil on the idol once in a year in Kartige month, November to December. Okay viewers, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you viewers. Bye viewers.